Alright, November 15th. I decided that I'm gonna do continues 2025. So right now it's September 8th. I'm gonna be doing September 8th to September 12th of this year. And by the way, I'm eating breakfast right now, so I'll be chewing a little bit. Let's see. Okay, bet. Let me just remove everything real quick. Okay. Mark out my key levels. I hope my chewing don't sound too loud. I gotta eat and get work done at the same time. Listen, no time right now. Okay, overall price is bullish, but we're coming off this hourly gap. Hourly intermediate term high. We inverse is 4 hours, so I prefer this 4 hour fair value gap to get hit if we're gonna long. We'll see what happens. We'll see, we'll see. Alright, we manipulate the highs here. See what happens. Alright, we continue pumping. We hit a key level. We didn't hit nothing. We inverse is 15. Alright, 5 minute. Still respecting this 15-minute fair value gap. We get this 2 minute inversion, but not a fan of it. Not a fan of it. Got what do we got? No news. No news today. Alright, we'll let price play out a little bit. We got a 15-minute right here. We got a 5 minute right here. Okay, no more 5 minute. Now we got a 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see. See how price reacts here. If we could get down to there. No 5 minute. What time is it? 10:14. Okay, we get here. Have a okay. We have 3 minute, we have 4 minute, and we have 5 minute. Okay, let's see how this goes. 4 minute right there. 5 minute about to open up in 1 minute. Oh my goodness. That's a pretty high close. Did tap into this 15 minute. Do get this 5 minute inversion here. I'm gonna take a stab at this and go break even at this high. Okay. Immediate break even, but we do open up a 5 minute for value up here. So let's see if we can get a trade out of this. See what it looked like. Yeah, it's pretty volatile. 10:48, 10:52. I don't think I'm gonna take anything. It's 11. See if it does play out though. Okay, we tap into here, the 5 minute. We get an inversion out of this. 3 minute, 4 minute. 5 minute right here too. Ooh, this looks good. Coming out with this 5 minute right here. It's already. Oh, it's 11:25. Damn. Yeah, no, I'm not taking nothing here, but let's see if price does come up. We do have SMT at this high now. All right, you want to go ahead and hit break even. All right, so nothing here. We just chop up. Go next day. Hmm. I'm eating 4 eggs, grilled cheese sandwich with sourdough bread, 2 pieces of sourdough bread, and a banana. And I use avocado oil for that 0 calories. Used to use olive oil when I was bulking, but trying to cut now. All right, price has potential for these highs here. I don't like how we don't have a higher time frame gap other than this 15 minute, but we'll stick with it. We resweep this low, and then we also get SMT with Asia low. Clean close. Okay, we got the sell side down here. It's the only place I see price going. Looks like we're gonna continue lower. See if we can open up some sort of imbalance. Alright, now we're gonna go higher. I need a condition if I'm gonna be longing. It's 1020. Alright, we take sell side here. At this point, there was no setup for me to take for shorts. We just chopped up a little bit. See what we got. We got this sell side level right here. See if price can get down here. It's also 4 hour fair value gap. Okay. Create a condition. Let's see. That low is also okay. It got mitigated a long time ago. Take another bite real quick. Oh my lord. I wonder what that crunch sounds like on the mic. Nothing. 15 minute? Nah. That's 11. No trade. I became short, right? So we had SMT here. We had this resweep here. I needed to see a condition get created, so 5 minute fair value gap to target these highs. We ended up sweeping this high out. before we could create a condition, and then we move lower. We don't have a condition here. We don't have a 5 minute to tell us we could go lower to this sell side, so I'm waiting. So I just play price action. We chop up. We get this displacement. We get this 5 minute for value gap. I want to see a pullback into this and then get a trade to this 4 hour imbalance. This is the only clear draw on liquidity. It's the unfilled gap and a hourly intermediate term low. So that's the only thing I can really target after this displacement here. But we missed that low completely and it's already 11. So go to the next day. Shit. Yo, this egg is gas, bro. I'm low-key cooking. Okay, I'm long to all-time highs. It's Wednesday. You know what? Since I'm chewing, I'm gonna write down what I do. So, new day. Oh, I bet. We'll leave that there. Since I'm chewing, I don't wanna talk too much. All right, nothing for this day. Um, right off market open, we dump, tap, or sweep data lows, which we got SMT at because ES didn't take it out. After we got that SMT, we tap into the hourly for value gap, which is where I was looking for a long to go to that at least the 5 minute unfilled gap right here. But we just chopped up, gave no type of inversion. We just moved sideways. As soon as we tap into this 5 minute and the 15 minute here, we get this SMT at the highs right here with this high uh, right here on NQ. So I was thinking, okay, maybe we could potentially go lower, right? Go to this sell side down here, but ultimately we just, you know, move sideways. So we go to next day. All right. Thursday CPI. All right, but you can remember that. First, key levels. All right. It's the first setup in a while that I actually feel like is good. We get this 2 minute inversion right here. Okay. So this whole time I was watching price, we ended up getting SMT at all time highs. Wasn't really looking for shorts. Um, but the only way I was going to take shorts is if we got a 5 minute condition. So we didn't get that, and then we get this displacement higher. um, price continuing to displace higher, so we open up this 5 minute for value gap right here. Get a pullback into that. We respect it, and then we get this 2 minute inversion, which doesn't look horrible on the 1 minute. Got a nice CISD right here. So I was gonna be at the body. Break even is gonna be this high here. I'm going for a 1-on-1 here. 1R. There we go. Oh damn, what time was this trade at? 10:59. Okay. I was too focused on the setup, but it's 10:59. I would never take a trade at this time. I mean, most times I wouldn't. This trade does look good, but as you can see, price did end up chopping. It's because we're already past New York AM. But let's see what happens. Okay, we end up hitting 1R here. Pretty clean. The setup itself is really clean. I liked it. I'd rate it at an A. Everything was pretty aligned. S&T did not hold. We just kept displacing higher, so pretty clear that we're gonna continue being bullish. But we tap in the 5 minute, and then we get this nice 2 minute inversion. And 5 minute rejection was pretty clean. 15 minute had a long wick, which I liked. Going for 1R, not going for anything crazy. Break even at this high, but again, it is this was at 10:58 as an entry. 99, 95% of the time I won't take a trade if it's like around this time, but really depends on price action. This one in itself was pretty clean, so I think it's a pretty valid setup. And we end up hitting all-time highs. Perfect. All right, final day. Got 10 a.m. news. 9:15. All right. Already not expecting much. We do have SMT at the high. But we're respecting a 4 hour fair value gap. And we're at all-time highs. It's moving sideways this entire time. Asia, New York. Alright. We took out previous daily high. We took out Asia high and Asia low. And then right now we just took out London high. So if we can get a continuation to get London low, that'd be pretty nice. I'm fading this one because just overall price action isn't good. We got SMT at this low and like it's it's just not good price action. All-time highs is just low probability, so I would stay more cautious around around these areas. Just the sideways price action isn't nice. I'd rather long than anything. But we're coming off this 5 minute for value, which still tells me that we still have potential to go down here. Okay, never mind. We just inversed the 5 minute. So if we can maybe get a condition. Okay, we don't get a condition. We don't get a 5 minute for value or anything. All right, we rip higher. Take out the new all-time highs, and we just continue higher. 10:45, 10:50, 11. All right. Not much to take away from today, just honestly, or this week. This week of back testing. The 2 minute continuation long from Thursday was pretty fire, but everything else for the rest of this week was pretty. It just didn't offer anything. So just being patient. Same mechanical and ticket setups that follow the overall system. Oh damn, this is a pretty good month. I haven't looked at 2025 in a while. I've been doing 2023 for the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks. Solid, solid sesh. One red month, only down less than 1% on that month, averaging about 6%. Looks like pretty beast. All right, that's all for this backtesting session. Later, guys.